So here we are at the University of Costa Rica campus, and we're standing under this tree which has a Monstera Deliciosa climbing all over it. This is a really common plant that you see in Costa Rica, but what most people don't know about it is it has an edible fruit. So if you look up there where it's flowering, there's several fruits that it's produced, and I'm going to demonstrate how to harvest and eat this fruit that not many people know about. So I'm about to take my first bite of this Monstera fruit that is toxic if you tried to peel off these hexagon-shaped scales and eat the fruit underneath. But what's happened to this one is after a few days of waiting, the scales become really soft and just break off on their own, and that is when you can eat this really sweet smelling fruit. So I'm going to try it for the first time now. Let's see how it is. Wow, I never would have expected to taste such a delicious fruit coming from this really common plant that you see everywhere. It's like candy. So like I said, you have to wait for the right moment for these scales to be able to be brushed off with ease. Once that happens, give it a try. It's really delicious.